Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here with the 3DEXPERIENCE platform on smartphones. We'll see how robust and easy to implement 3DEXPERIENCE platform in our day-to-day activities, meanwhile controlling all the industrial activities as well. I'm going to cook a story I'm going to consider the project that is Moroni and VF2 foot. This project will take into account the project will be assigned. Once the project is assigned, how exactly the all the firm team will deal with the community, how they deal with their activities, tasks, tracking their tasks, and dealing with the reports and markups, finally the document management. Well, we'll see these all the things here. Let's start with the community now. We can create a community with respect to the project requirement, adding all the team members inside it, and you could able to see the post, right? The bar of post and the rendered images and the day-to-day tasks and all what exactly they have done. So they have commented on it, and they have done the reviews as well. So this is how we can create the community inside the 3DEXPERIENCE platform to review it. Now, when it comes to task, we can able to deal with the task. We can create the task and we can check how exactly the task has been assigned, which is in work, which is to do taste, which has been completed, okay, which are at risk, okay, which are late, which doesn't have any risks and all. So these things we can able to manage by using the tasks inside the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Yeah, so when it comes to tracking the tasks, so whenever you're gonna assign the task using the project planning, see all the tasks will be listed in the to-do state. The team members will just take these tasks and they will put it into the in work, and once it is completed, they will just mention it that is completed. Okay, like this, the manager can just have the proper track on all the activities, what exactly is going on, how the files has been stored. So whatever the task you are going to complete here, all the files will be stored and he can review it. So when it comes to the content, all the contents will be stored in the same platform in the project itself. So whenever you want, you can just come back to this. Let's say we have the PDF formats, we have all the formats like even DXF formats, the markups, okay, everything will be stored inside the platform itself. So you don't need to go and search somewhere else, and you don't need to ask your members to just share the files and all. So simply can able to access here itself. Okay, yeah, so even we have the 3D play application. So by using that particular application, you can able to just preview your models. So this is the Moroni assembly. Entire assembly will be accessible to you. You can preview it, you can add the markups. If you want to make the issue change, you can make the markup and you can just send it to the particular designer to make the changes. So this is very easy here to just control the model, preview it. When it comes to the report generation, whatever the report you have created, you can simply add it into your task so that each and everyone can have the access to this report and they can check what exactly has been done. When it comes to the DXF and DWG formats, even you can able to preview them and you can have a look at all the DXF formats and DWG formats. When it comes to this particular markup, what exactly it does is you can able to create multiple slides with respect to the requirement. Okay, where exactly the changes needed, what exactly the changes needs to be modified. Okay, it's all things will be stored in the 3 markup. Okay, so here we have just seen how exactly the project has been assigned. Okay, once the project has been assigned, how exactly we can create the community. So community will be created by using the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, and we can able to add the members inside. Okay, once the community is created, the team members will start engaging with the activities, what exactly they have done. So they will ask you for the review. If they want the meeting, they will ask you for the meeting. Okay, if they want the approval, so they will ask you for the approval there itself. So if someone wants to comment there, if someone wants to add some notes inside the community, they can just mention just below the post whatever they have done. They can add the comments. Okay, these things they can able to do it inside the community. When it comes to the projects, the manager will assign all the tasks. Okay, so depending upon the task, the team members will get their tasks via notifications. If they want, they can even synchronize with the Outlook, so they will get the mail notification that the manager has assigned the tasks. Okay, So they can go to their task and they can just make out to in work, and they can start working on. Once the task is completed, they can just put it to complete it, so that the manager will get the mail or the notification so that the task has been completed, whether he need to approval or he need to just uh, make some changes inside it, so that he can just inform the designer to just again work on it to complete these all the things. Okay, once everything is done, we need to store all the documents, right? So everything will be stored inside the content folder. So we don't need to go and ask someone to just share this particular format or share this PDF or the DWG format or whatever it is. So in a community, in a particular platform, each and everything will be stored. So the people who has the access to a particular documents, they can easily go and make the changes, or they can preview it, they can approve it. Okay, everything is inlined inside this platform. So I'm gonna showcase these all the things using the smartphone. Okay, how exactly we can just see these all the things and implement into our day-to-day activities. Okay, that's all about the session, guys. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye, everyone.